Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. So when did you get here exactly?
I was here at 5 a.m. I was hoping that by 6 we'll start moving, and I'll be home latest 8 if in the worst case scenario, because we were guaranteed by IEBC that at 6 a.m. we will start voting. We have seen the polling stations in our neighborhood, like Donholm Primary School. The people I came with have already voted, but we have yet to even start having a vote. We understand that the tents that are supposed to be our booths, our polling streams, have not even been set up. And my question to Chebukati is, you knew that we were going to vote today. You said that 6 a.m. we will start voting. Why didn't you do a checklist of everything that was needed for this particular polling station so that when people come, they are able to vote? This, I feel, is one of the ways that you disenfranchise voters, so that we get here, we get tired, and we go home, and then we hear later that there was 100% turnout. There is no way. We've been told by our leaders that we should come out and vote, and we have actually come out to vote. We want to make a difference in our country. But now the only opportunity we have to make a difference is voting. But if we cannot be allowed to vote, what time is it? It's going to 8 o'clock. We have yet to start voting. Chebukati said by 5 p.m. the polling stations will be closed. I'd be surprised if he goes ahead and closes this voting station by 5 p.m. because that means our rights will have been disenfranchised. We know very well that we have a problem in this area. We have come here in numbers. People with children are here. I have left my children sleeping to come and vote. I expect to come and vote. And if you don't allow me to vote, then I don't know what you expect me to do and to make a difference.